Welcome back to Quantum Tech Lab. In today's guide, we'll walk you through how to change the language on your Android device. Open the Settings app. The Settings menu is the control center of your device, where you manage important features such as Wi-Fi, mobile data, security, apps, battery usage, and system updates. Now scroll down and find General Management. On some devices, it may appear as System. Tap on it to open more options. Here, you'll see different settings related to date and time, reset options, keyboard settings, and language preferences. Next, tap on Language or Language and Input, then select Languages. You will now see the list of languages currently active on your device. To add a new language, tap on Add Language. A full list of available languages will appear. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find your preferred language. Select the language you want, then confirm your choice. After adding it, you can drag it to the top of the list to set it as your default system language. Your device will instantly update menus, the apps and system text to the new language. Thanks for learning with Quantum Tech Lab, where technology is made simple and practical for everyone. Stay connected for more helpful tech guides.